Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back for another Benchwarmer Gold Edition box break. Time to take out another box from the case. So let's go ahead and get started. This will be box number 3. If you haven't checked out the first two boxes, check them out. We got some big hits in the first two boxes. So I don't know. I think it's downhill from there, right, guys? We got the earring card, the 2 out of 2, the 101 bling of Kennedy Summers, red parallel. We're still looking for these girls: Sarah Underwood, Tori Wilson, Michelle Baina, Heather Ray Young, Sarah Hinton, Jessa Hinton, and Crystal McCahill. So wish me luck with box number 3. I don't know if it can get any better, guys. Unless we get like a maybe Sarah Underwood 101. Am I asking for too much? All right, wish me luck, guys. Box number 3. Okay, box number 3, here we go. All right. Okay. Here you go, box number 3, guys. We'll start off with Shelby Chestnut. She used to be a really hot seller, guys, and I really like her. This is the pink parallel, Shelby Chestnut. Very nice. Playboy Playmate. Next we got Catherine Smith. Just the regular gold parallel. Booyah. Next we got Tiffany Selby, gold parallel, polka dot bikini. Next we got Billy Joe Powers, very nice, scrunchy butt, scrunchy. Next we got a diva, a WWE diva, Ryan Shamrock. This is the gold 2 out of 3, guys. Green parallel 2 out of 3. Gold bikini swatch right here. It says gold bikini authentic swatch. And there's the back. Nice and shiny. Shiny booyah. So that's a big hit right there. Next we got the premium base card, Hiromi Oshima. 6 out of 24. Hiromi Oshima. And there's the back. This looks really thick, thicker than the usual ones. And then we got the Golden Soul of Tiffany Taylor, 5 out of 10. Nice little red toast. That looks heavy, guys. That looks heavy. All right, I like this one. Next, we got another golden booyah. This is 1 out of 2 blue parallel, Tabitha Taylor. Man, thing looks really heavy. Really heavy. She can kick a field goal with that thing. 66-yard field goal with that. Next, we got another golden booyah, Markita Janska. Nice. And this is 8 out of 14. Nice little see-through. Booyah, Markita Janska. Very nice. Golden booyah. I like these. I like these, like matte, the matte feel to it. Very cool. And then our final card, Amelia Talon. And this is a 2 out of 4. Pink parallel. This one has like a line going through like that, like a scratch maybe. I don't know. You can pick it up right there. You see that? It's got like a line going through it. Very nice. All right, so there you have it. Not as big as the first two boxes, still really good. I like these golden booyahs. All right, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for box number 4. All right, thank you guys. See you guys. God bless.